how to fix can't join WhatsApp group. If you're unable to join a WhatsApp group due to any sort of issue, there could be various reasons. The first is it could be an expired or an invalid invite link. So you simply have to ask the admin of the group for a new link so that you can join the group using the new link. You can also request a manual addition because if the admin has your phone number, they will be able to add you directly to the group. Sometimes it could also be the general WhatsApp issues. So for that, simply open up your Play Store. In a search bar, just type in WhatsApp. Check if your WhatsApp has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Also try to check if your internet connection is working just fine. What we can also do is clear the WhatsApp cache files on Android. To do so on any Android, you can long press the WhatsApp app icon, tap on the eye icon, or sometimes it will also be labeled as app info, which will take you to the app information page. From here, scroll and look for the option storage, and you'll see the option called cache. So tap on clear cache. Do not tap on clear data even accidentally, because if you haven't backed up your chats, you're going to lose your chats, by the way. So only tap on clear cache, and that should most likely help you solve the problem. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.